recently eating out again. Ooh, that was... It's because I stopped drinking soda. And she walked in the room and she sat down. A tripod. With my fiance's family. That was good burp. I'm going for like a red color, but make sure. I don't know what to make sure, but anyway. Too funny. There's so many good ones. But if you're interested in my TikTok, right? And she walked in the room and she sat down. And it is really hard. Not that I wasn't growing or good. Okay. I personally find it. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's a fun game.
It's kind of like Scrabble, but different.
Yeah. I'd rather chill without it, to be honest. So I ate some chicken strips and stuff. Ooh, that was... Oh yeah, so I hope you guys also liked my Sedona video. And until next time, my taste buds, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on my next video or my next live. Oh yeah, and don't forget to click that bell. Mwah.